Hey, what's up there, Joe's Pepper House members? Today's going to be a quick video on this monster indoor hydroponics bubblegum super hot plant. All I've been using is a 12-gallon tote, as you guys seen me in my build video. I use in the General Hydroponics Flora series, and this thing was podding out like crazy. And like I said, I planted this November 7th of 2019. And she is tall. I have 8-foot ceilings to the top. That's my Mars Hydro SP250. And yeah, ever since I installed that light, this thing had just went nuts. But it's not producing as many pods as I would like anymore. There's a few pods on there that are ready to be picked, but as of right now, it's flowering. But I'm pretty sure this is going to be a while before I see any more buds. And if you guys remember in my other videos, even in my very beginning, I had all the tents lined up here. Well, all them plants just outgrew it. And so I had to pull them out of the tents. And now, as you can see, there's no plants here and there's no plants behind me. I had 20 of these 12-gallon totes going at one time. But unfortunately, my electric bill over doubled and I just couldn't take it no more. So I had transferred some plants outside for testing purposes. And I will show you that here in a minute. Alright everybody, excuse all the background noise. I got my air conditioner going and all that, and plus it's a little bit windy. But remember that Reaper that was like 245 days old and this thing would never pod out? Now look at these babies go. I mean, there's pods everywhere. I could go ahead and start pulling these out now. And all I did nothing fancy. Those are just rugs to keep the weeds down. But here's my Carolina Reaper that I had indoors. I showed you guys this all the time. But she just wouldn't flower. And yes, I got to pull weeds. I didn't think that these things were going to take. But yes, I took them from those hydroponic totes and dug a hole. I just bought some standard soil. I don't even remember. Oh, the bag's over there. But anyway, I'll show you guys that next season when I start my plants. I'm going to start them indoors and I'm going to bring them outdoors. But there you go, there's the Reaper right here. Not too bad. All I do is I water them. I give them about a gallon of water every other day unless it rains. And this here, look at this monster. There's my Thai Firefinger. And I'm telling you, these are some monster peppers, man. I mean, they are not, I'd say they're 25% larger than what I was growing in my house of hydroponics. And I noticed I'm getting a lot more bushes here, or bushels of peppers. Of course, there's some here that are ripe, ready to go, which I will pull and make some sauces. We got some Reapers here that are getting ready to ripen. Alright guys, getting close to the AC. This one's my habanero, and as you can see, she's doing really good. Got a lot of them down here that are ripening, or that are ripe, that I could go ahead and pull. And they're much bigger than when I was growing them in the house. Again, guys, sorry for the noise. But I mean, look at this. This thing's going everywhere. So eventually, guys, I'm going to get all this cleaned up for next season. And basically, I'm going to do the same thing, keep them separated the same. Oh, and you're probably wondering how I removed the lid on my totes to get these plants buried. Well, I didn't. I don't know if I could show you guys here. Yeah, here. You see right there, that's the lid to the plant, because I couldn't, and I didn't want to cut my lid out. So when I pull these plants for the season, I'm going to go ahead and save those lids, of course. And since they worked this time, they should work the next time. So that way, all I got to do is carry the lid out of the tote and then pop it in the ground, pack a little bit of soil in behind the roots, set it down, water it, and good to go. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the results here and how these Reapers are turning out. And oops, sorry. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. For season 2, I'm going to do a full out updates on everything, on how I'm planting them, everything that I'm going to do. And I'm also going to line them up. I'm going to take this bush out, take all this stuff out up to this tree, and I'm gonna really make it really nice here. I'm gonna put a weed mat down, and it's gonna be a really nice one done. I'm hoping I could get at least, I want to say 10 plants, 9 to 10 plants down just this side of the house, and I may go down farther past the deck there, which will give me a couple more, maybe 3 more plants. So we'll see, guys. So hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I promise you next season, which is season 2, is gonna be awesome. Have a great day.